What's up everyone, Don here. I've got a seal leaking. Not that kind of seal. Transmission seal is leaking in the Firebird. We're going to change it out. So this seal, the back of the transmission, can't point to it. I'm kind of holding a light, but that seal needs to be replaced. You can see that the transmission is a little wet. There's some seepage. Shouldn't be too big of a deal, but I've got to take the drive shaft out to get to it. Unbolt the drive shaft there, take those clamps off, and slide the whole thing out. So shouldn't be too bad. We'll get to it. Trouble getting that last washer off. So we've got it in neutral. Now I didn't put the emergency brake on in case I've got to sort of walk this a little bit one way or the other, but I do have the wheels chalked pretty good. All right, I don't know how much of this is going to leak, but we'll see. So we got the shaft out. We got to get that seal off of there. Maybe clean up some of that grease. Clearly, I've been greasing that universal joint. On the shaft, what happens is there'll be some wear on the shaft right here. And it doesn't look like that's the case. It looks like it's not worn very much at all. And so that's good, because what happens is from this rubbing on the seal, a groove a groove will occur over time, and this will inevitably leak, right? But we're still pretty smooth here. I don't have a puller. Not the ideal way of getting this out, but it's all I have. Come on. That looks like it. Kind of hear it bottom out. There we go. All right, well, it wasn't too bad. A little primitive Pete, as my high school shop teacher used to say. Primitive Pete is a mechanic who uses nothing but a hammer, a screwdriver, and a pair of vice grips. I'm gonna do a little wipe down here, so I still have a leak. I'll be able to better determine where it's coming from. I did put a little transmission fluid on the inner edges of the rubber seal before I put it up in place. Now we'll go ahead and put the drive shaft in place. Get this in there. All right. Let me get the light in the camera so we can take a better look at this. Now, if you notice, also one thing I have to be careful of here is on the inner edge, there's a clip, and that clip has to be on the inside of the yoke. All right, well, we've got it all back together. It's all bolted in. It even looks correct. I guess I'll find out soon if it's not. Well, that's it. Another project completed. Thanks for checking in. We'll see you next time.